Is Solana about to explode? We've seen millions of dollars flow into Sol from major companies, and that's a huge signal. The same trend helped push Bitcoin and Ethereum to new heights, and now Solana might be next. Welcome to this video. Today we're breaking down why big money is suddenly pouring into Solana, what makes it attractive for institutions right now, and how this could impact the price. Plus, we'll take a closer look at a project called Bitcoin Hyper, a pre-sale that's getting serious attention to bring Solana tech to Bitcoin. Let's start with Solana. The price has been moving sideways since May. Volatile, but without a clear breakout. Now, here's the thing. While retail investors have been sitting on the sidelines, institutions have been quietly accumulating. And not just trading, we're talking long-term holdings. This is the same pattern we saw with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Companies aren't just buying and selling, they're adding SOL to their treasury, staking it and earning consistent returns. One report from BitGo explains it like this. Companies that adopt Solana gain access to yield-generating digital assets, align with emerging blockchain infrastructure, and stand out in the market. Pretty compelling, right? Now, let's look at what actually is happening. Just this past week, 3 companies made significant moves. BitMining announced they bought 27,191 SOL worth $4.5 million and plan to stake it. DeFi Development Core keeps buying and now holds over 1.2 million SOL. And Upexi, they boosted their holdings from 735,000 to 2 million SOL. On top of that, Sol Treasury Core shared this update on X. We've added 744 SOL at 148.44 pounds per coin, bringing our total to 12,629 SOL, valued at 1.84 million pounds. In total, the 4 largest institutional holders now control over 3.5 million SOL, worth around $600 million, and that's 0.6% of the total supply and growing. And here's what's even more interesting. These purchases have mostly been funded through cash reserves and staking rewards. We haven't seen many capital raises or convertible bond strategies yet, but if that starts happening, we're talking about exponential growth in demand. All right, switching gears for a second, there's been a lot of buzz around the project called Bitcoin Hyper. It's currently in pre-sale and aiming to do some pretty wild things. Bring Solana-like performance, fast, cheap, scalable, directly to the Bitcoin ecosystem. It runs on the Solana virtual machine, which means users could eventually lend, stake, and run apps on Bitcoin, something that's not possible with native Bitcoin. Here's what they posted recently on X. Bitcoin Hyper brings lightning-fast, low-cost transaction to Bitcoin's ecosystem. Built on the Solana virtual machine, perfect for payments, meme coins, and powerful apps. And yeah, they're also offering staking rewards close to 140% at the moment. It's gaining traction quickly. Millions have already been raised, and the next price increase in the pre-sale is just around the corner. If you're curious, the link's in the description. So what's the takeaway? Solana is clearly attracting serious attention from institutional players, and that kind of interest can be a game changer. And with early stage projects like Bitcoin Hyper pushing boundaries, there's a lot to keep an eye on. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next update. And if you're still looking for a secure crypto wallet, we've linked our top recommendation in the description too. See you in the next one.